What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Chris back with another video, man. Today I got something special for y'all, man. I drove 3 hours all the way to Albany to come down here and meet my boy Micah just to review his car, man. I gotta give y'all some footage like I promised. I know I've been slacking, but I'm gonna be up on my game. I promise y'all. Just give me time. I'm working a regular job just like everybody else. So we gotta get it how we get it. But anyway, man, without further ado, just please like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all can stay updated. Without further ado, I'm finna get into this, and then I'll see y'all in just a minute. Bye. Finna go ahead and let my boy Micah explain to y'all all he's done with the car, and you know, kinda go from there. All right, big dog.
Yeah,
my
man.
boy Micah, man.
Yes, sir.
Out here in Albany with it.
Yeah, so.
What all you done to it, bro?
So first thing I done to it, man, I did the small stuff. I started out small, tinted the tail lights.
Bro, I got to show y'all the tail light.
Lux Autos, man.
I know y'all seen it a little bit in that little B-roll, but
You know,
let me give y'all a good little.
Lux Auto tint. You know, I did that myself. It's pretty simple.
You got the little red rivets too.
Yeah. I also did a wicker bill. The wicker bill with and I painted the bolts red.
So he painted them red.
You know,
That's dope.
That gives it a little good pop. You know.
Hey, what else, bro?
Third, I put the diffuser on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I put that on, and then
Gotta tell him about the wheels, bro.
yeah. So I just got the SRT Brass Monkey bronze wheels. Had to put it on there, man, because it looks so good with that blue, jazz blue.
And that bronze.
Yeah.
These are the Hellcat replicas too, ain't they?
Yeah, these Hellcat replicas from factory reproductions.
Factory production, man. Y'all go get y'all's from them, man.
Had to also put rock guards in, keeping your paint fresh, you know what I'm saying? You're throwing rocks with the big tires, the big Nittos, you know.
Big Nittos.
Those are 275s in the front, Nittos.
Big 315s in the back.
315s in the rear.
But y'all don't understand how wide these tires are.
Yeah, super wide. I had to put spacers in so they won't rub, you know.
If y'all can see, bro, they're wide.
Yeah. They're huge.
Wide. Oh, bro, we down here until you got,
So I had
exhaust?
Had to get rid of this 245s. So exhaust. I got, let me show you guys.
Pop the hood.
I popped the hood. First, I'm gonna start off with the intake, man. I did it. Oh, yeah, I got a lot going on. So
He said I got a lot.
I forgot I mean,
bro, you done forgot what you done to the car.
So I did oil catch can, jazz blue, same color of the car, man. I had to do that. Did oil catch can. I did JLT performance intake. It's a really good intake, man. I like it because it has the snorkel, the actual functional snorkel to pull in cold air.
Oh, that's when you. So when you swap the swap the grill out.
Yeah, I swapped the grill out.
Came with the functional.
Came with the functional snorkel, so it pulls in cold air right into the intake. So it helps.
So the original one don't have that.
No, the original one didn't.
So these only come on the Scat, the Hellcats.
Well, these come on 2019 Scat.
Okay, 2019.
And yeah, so cool. 2019 and up, they put that grill on there. I switched mine out top and bottom.
Direct fit.
Yeah, direct fit, man. Nothing. Had to do no other cutting or nothing. It just put it right in.
I like that, for real.
I did a strut race bar, same color of the car, Jazz Blue. And it, you know, it helps with the curves in the corner, and man, it's pretty nice.
You can tell a good difference.
Yeah, you can tell a big difference. The big upgrade that I did, I spent the most money on so far, man. I did the damn long tube headers, man. CORSA long tube headers. If you can look down there, you can see CORSA on the headers coming right off the side there.
Y'all might not be able to see that.
You might be able to see it from this side.
It's down in there.
Yeah, it's down in there. It's like right here. If you can look down in there, you'll see CORSA.
Bet.
So
I think
long
I see
tube
it.
headers.
It ain't gonna focus.
I did long tube headers and with a full catback exhaust system with the black tips, exhaust tips. So that's what I've done so far to the car, man. I haven't started on the inside yet. I'm working on the outside. I got basically the outside is done.
The inside's mint though.
Yeah.
There ain't nothing wrong with the inside of this thing. Look at that, y'all.
Yeah, inside. And I try to keep it clean.
Alcantara, man.
And this is a 2016.
16, y'all.
16.
Give him a little start, man. You got the key?
Yeah.
I love this little intro. It's my favorite part of this whole car, y'all. Skew. Boy, this thing sounds so good. But that junk is so loud. Rev it up. But this thing is nice, man. CORSA. What you want? CORSA sounds good on anything, man. Y'all go watch my first video I posted, and y'all will see, man. It sounds good on the Vet. Sounds good on the Charger. Probably sound good on a Honda. For y'all Honda.
Honda, man. I would advise you to put it on the Honda, man.
You want to go for a ride, bro?
Yeah, we can take it for a spin.
Hold it, Mike. That's why I tell y'all to get CORSA, man. It speaks for itself. Speak for itself, man.
Damn.
Bro, it sounded good.
It's loud?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Cause I don't know how that shit sound like.
Huh?
I don't know how it sounds going by, bro.
Bro, it's loud.
That's fuck.
It's super loud. You want to hear it?
Yeah, I gotta hear that shit.
I'll drive by.
All right.
Go to the church. I'll go down the road from right now. Bro, it's loud. I'm telling you, like, when you hear it, like, outside the car,
Yeah. It's different.
rasp, it's like, bro, you gonna see. You going crazy.
So what I gotta do? Just.
I'll go down there and turn around and come back so you can hear it.
All right.
You gonna hold the camera?
Yeah.
Talk to them folk.
It's still recording?
Talk to the people. Yeah, I got it.
Oh man. We recording, man. You about to do a drive-by. So I can hear it. So I can hear how it sounds, you know. Gotta hear your own car go by one time, man, you know. God. Oh my God, bro.
Look, it's fast.
Yeah.
I ain't lying, that jump fast. It's like when you get on it, like when you first hit the gas, it's like, you know what I'm saying? It don't get, but that jump hard, bro. Don't give you no, don't give you no hesitation. But that jump hard. I like it, huh? Yeah.
Okay. You know what that bitch shit? You was playing with the paddle too, huh?
Huh?
You was playing with the paddle
Bro,
too.
you know I put it in man.
Yeah, you had to. Oh,
Yeah, I put it in man. That when I was downshifting, that's what you like.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop.
Yeah.
Boy, if you don't get.
Yeah. That shit sounds so
huh?
good.
Yeah, it sounds good. I love driving these things in manual.
Yeah.
The paddle shifters are real responsive too. I noticed that. Like as soon as you click it, it's
It's
putting you put another gear in. Just nail it. Yeah, as hard as you can, bro. Just drive away.
All right.
Y'all finna get some fire footage, you know what.
Holy shit! That bitch was spinning a little bit.
Go ahead and handle it, bit Mike.
Shit. Yes, sir.
Yeah, bro, I like it, man.
Yes, sir, man. 392.
All right, man, that's the end of this video, man. I hope y'all like it. Remember, please like, comment, subscribe, and smash the notification button, man, so y'all can stay updated with all the videos I'm finna come give y'all. And look, y'all go give my boy a follow, man. What's your Instagram?
Shaq Scat 392, man.
Shaq Scat 392. I'll put the link to his Instagram in the description, man. Y'all go give him a follow, man. He's about to start his YouTube channel up too, and y'all are gonna see a lot more of his car. So catch y'all on the next one, man. Bye.